Mr. Sodi, have you heard counts 1 to 8 that was put to both accused number 1 and number 2?
Yes, I have.
You must please let me know if you do not know where you are as far as those counts are concerned. Then I will tell the court to repeat them to you. But are you happy that you know the contents of those counts?
I'm happy.
Thank you. What do you plead to those counts 1 to 8?
Not guilty.
Alternative count to count 10, corruption, contravention of section 4 of Act 12 of 2004, that the accused are guilty of the crime of corruption in contravention of section 4(1)(b), read with sections 1, 2, 4 subsection 2, 20, 24, 25, and 26 of the Prevention of Combating of Corrupt Activities Act 12 of 2004. In that during the time and place mentioned in the main count, the accused directly or indirectly and wrongfully and corruptly gave or agreed or offered to give any gratification to a public officer to do anything.
Have you understood this alternative to count 10, Mr. Sodi?
Yes,
And you plead?
not guilty.
Thank you.